Hey guys, it's Priscilla here. It's my first video and hopefully it doesn't turn out horribly. So what I'm going to be doing here is just yawning a lot while you guys keep count of how many times I've yawned. But I'll probably know more than you. So, anyways, what I was saying is we are going to show you this house. I got the game, 2 days ago, actually. And I built this tiny little house that I thought would look nice, and it ended up not looking that nice. So I decided to go all out and build this gigantic lot, or house, I guess. I need coffee. And what happened was this happened. It is a 5-bedroom, 3.25 bath. It has a total of like maybe 12 or 13 rooms, maybe 15 or 20. I don't know. There's just a lot. I didn't finish the landscaping yet because I'm gonna leave that for when I go to sleep. But this is what we have here. I'm just gonna exit out of this right now so it's a little bit smaller. Yes, there we go. This is the back of the house. The roofing actually wasn't that hard. I have watched a lot of videos about roofing, and it actually turned out pretty good. I hope I can edit out these yawns. But, as I was saying, we have our pool back here, our back porch, doors to go inside, and everything's cut off by these green bushes and that fence right there. So, I guess, considering it is a house reveal, get back there, bush, we should reveal a house, shall we? So let's start on the first floor. Take down those walls. Okay, so when you come in here, this is what you're going to see. A whole bunch of mess. I am so proud of this house. I didn't think I could do it, to be quite honest with you. And I guess that's what I get for watching a ton of videos on the YouTubes or the tubes of you on how to build and how to floor plan. It's just this house was really big and I didn't think it was gonna be that big, and I just have everything everywhere, but I do have a little bit of it planned out. So I'll tell you what everything is, or yeah, I'll do that. So this right here is a gym, and we have a karaoke little area here, and then over here we have our dining room and bar that is only available by going through here, through this way and into the kitchen and then down to where it is. I'm gonna tell you this right now, I don't have all of the packs, so I'm kind of just getting by my sense of color coordination is so off because I have been up for probably, I wouldn't say 24 hours, because I woke up at 12:30 in the afternoon last night, yesterday afternoon, and yeah. But yeah, this is the kitchen with the island, the little breakfast table. There's some arts and craftsies areas and whatever. Ooh, what is that doing? There we go. I fixed my bucket. The counters are just a mess because I can't figure out how to move everything, and it's just all crazy. It's literally all crazy. Like, I wish I knew how to move all this stuff, like Lil Simsy and Claire Chopin do in their videos. But yeah, that's the kitchen, dining room, and the gym with the karaoke machine, just in case you wanted to have a little fun. I'm gonna try and post this onto the gallery so everybody can like play with it. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna save my lot. Hee. So I'm saving it now. Look, it is so gorgeous. Look, see upstairs. Everybody's gonna want it. So we gotta do 5 bedroom and like, I guess we'll just say 4 bathrooms. It doesn't have balconies, oddly enough. So the value of the lot, and it's not even finished yet, is $287,000. Well, simoleons. And that is intense. I didn't think I spent that much doing it, but it's not that bad for my very first build, which I'm pretty excited about because I didn't think I was able to actually do this. But I actually did. So we'll just say large family home with lots of space for your tiny sim fam to grow and, I don't know, prosper with a laughing emoji. Well, emoticon, I guess you would call it, because it's, yeah. We're gonna type in first ever build recently got the game and decided to have a little bit of fun with everything it has to offer. I should say laundry, pack, and parenthood, as well as city living is involved in this build. Enjoy. Well, I guess we should share lot to the gallery. And there you go. Now you have a semi-gorgeous 5-bedroom, 4-bath on a 40 by 30 lot. I thought it was 20 by 30, but it is 40 by 30. Damn, that is expensive. That's expensive. Anyways, this is my laundry area. I just decided to finally be able to share my whole entire house with you guys. But yeah, this is the laundry area. Like I said, I love what is that, number 9? Whew. This is what I've always wanted, was a stacked washer and dryer. And this is my little counter space, and then there's a little waiting area. It's like a little laundromat. I think it's cute. And then these 2 sliding doors lead out to the back where the pool is. And then we have this little computer area. And then we turn to this side and we have our living space. And all of my fireplaces are electric, so, well, in my mind they're electric. You guys can add chimneys onto the house if you want to. I just thought it was a little extra to add chimneys to the sides, because I got about 3, I believe, in this house, and it would just be weird because I have like one right here upstairs, and then I have this one and that one, and it would just look weird with a whole bunch of stacks going up. Especially on the way that it's built. It's like it's literally a gigantic box, but it just has some, like, these little divots here. I think that makes the house worthwhile. That's why the house is so big. It's because it's one just gigantic box. But anyways, this is like the oh, look at my sim, she's so pregnant. Anyways, this is the master downstairs his and hers bathroom. It's a family bathroom, so it can be used for everyone. I gotta put a little potty in there, and then yeah, but has the jacuzzi tub, the shower, the laundry baskets, the toilet, all the essentials. And then this room I really like, because this room is the lounge, getting warm, gaming, television watching, reading. I don't know, it's just like a rec room kind of thing. Yeah, it's a rec room. The computer should have went back here and that should have went up there, but I kind of like it like this, because if nobody's like on the computers and nobody's like really paying attention to the people in front of them when they're sitting back here, which is pretty great. But yeah, anyways, that is a really great room and I like it a lot. So what you're gonna see is these decals all over the top of the house. You guys can get rid of them if you want. They came in the Parenthood pack and I like to use them to like decorate my walls. Oh yeah, there's my little piano. But yeah, I guess we'll go upstairs now. So we'll go upstairs. Ba-ching! And we will bring down the walls. And we will start here. So this, I made it to where there is 2 toddler girl beds, and then down here there's 2 toddler boy beds. And they just got a whole bunch of stuff, like the wall decals obviously, and then there's like more wall decals. They're all around the room, which I really liked because it's just really pretty. But yeah, this is how that works. So these two rooms have everything your child needs. What are you doing? You're in the wrong room. Get in the room. But yeah, this has everything your child needs. I even put makeup in there because you know what? I wanted to have fun when I was a kid with makeup. And now probably most of my videos on here on the YouTube website on my channel, Jesus, on my channel is gonna be like makeup and then my builds on Sims 4, and once I learn how to edit, I'll probably do speed builds. But yeah, anyways, these two rooms are like the same in every single way. They all have desks. I gave the boys' room tablets, and I didn't give the girls tablets because they have the dollhouse, and they have their little makeup trays, and it's easy to get them a tablet anyways. And then these rooms have both, this room has 2 desks, 2 beds, 2 dressers, 2 little bookshelf thingies. Oh, two nightstands, I mean, and 2 little bookshelf dresser things. This is for like either a guest room or if the twins get older and they can share a room or whatever. But yeah, that's that side of the house. I told you, these rooms are gigantic. I don't know how I fit everything in there. I really need to make them smaller, or when I do my next build, I'll make them smaller. But yeah, then there's this bathroom here. It's just like a normal bathroom. Got the shower bath, the jacuzzi tub. Every single bathroom, except for the quarter bath, which is actually pretty cool, doesn't have a jacuzzi tub. So this house is like pretty expensive. $247,000 is what it said, I think. Yeah, this just has everything that it needs. And then this right here, I like this room because I've always wanted a room like this. So over here there's the bed, and then there's the wardrobe, and then over here is a dresser, and then over here is another dresser. Oh wait, no, that's in a different room. This right here is the dresser. There's a diary, there's a computer desk, there's a backpack, nightstand, lots of carpets, and then this little area right here is a little sitting area. Like you can put a laptop on there or something if the computer is busy, or you can just sit and have like your lunch or whatever and be a hermit crab. And then there's the TV right here, and I don't know, it's really nice. And see my little wall decals. And then we're gonna go to this bad boy. This, I had no idea what to do with this room because it was so big. So what I did was just make a whole bunch, like 2 living rooms in just one room. So right here you have the sitting guest area where you can have your friends over and they can all sit around and do something. I just put 2 of these tables together to make it that big, and you press the Alt key while having the BB Move Objects sheet on, and it'll slide in perfectly. Oh boy, there we go. Even now that still doesn't look right. And there's also like a piano over here, a little cubby over here. Over here there's his and her walk-in closet. Yeah, and then the bed, the TV. Stop clicking on the carpet. And this here These are both mirrors, and they are one of the best features in this game, I think, are those. I just wish the beds were a lot bigger and the couches were a lot bigger. Huh. But yeah, and then see there's another electric fireplace, and then there's an easel over here, and we got lots of windows. I definitely need to use a different window curtain, that is for sure. And then this bathroom is a his and hers. It's like a parent bathroom, but there's like a little potty in here because who knows, you might need to go potty. Your toddler might need to go potty. So, and then I also got my laundry baskets and my cupboards here, and this little stool over here that has all your things in it. And then toilet. These. I tried to move everything perfectly. Even with the BB Move Objects cheat, it's really hard to do. But I somehow managed to at least get some of what I wanted done here. Like there's toothbrush holders, 2 things of candles, 2 hand soaps, 2 flowers, and 2 things of towels. And then in all of the bathrooms except for the one that's downstairs, they each have at least 2 house coats, which is awesome. I don't know if The Sims use them yet, but we will see. But yeah, that is my house. It is big, it is scary, and it took a lot to build. It took 2 days, and that is crazy. And the roof wasn't hard at all. Like I said, it wasn't hard at all. But yeah, that's my house. I'm gonna add some more stuff to it, which means it's gonna be more expensive. I still have at least $37,000 to use on it. My Sims are living in it right now. That's just temporary until I get until I build a new house, which is probably going to be soon. I'm probably just going to start off with a 1-story, like a 2-bedroom 1-story, and just work my way up from there. Just get rid of all of this into this house right here, and I'll probably be adding more objects. But if you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you guys liked it, download it, comment anything, whatever. And if you want, follow me and hit that notification button, and I will see you guys in the next video.